Let me show you something interesting about depot network optimization. A customer came to me with a Belgian logistics network, 4 depots, 400 vehicles, serving 2,000 delivery locations. Everything looked fine on the surface, but they asked me a simple question: where should we add a new depot? First, I investigated their current operation. I found routes stretching nearly 500 kilometers from Hasselt down to southern Luxembourg, way above their average. These inefficient routes were costing them about €36 per stop, more than double their network average. Most consultants would make an educated guess. But I don't guess, I test. I created 10 scenarios simultaneously, testing depot locations from Arles to Bruges, from coastal Belgium to the Luxembourg border. Here's where it got interesting. The southern locations I initially identified as problem areas, they weren't the winners. Instead, Liège, in eastern Belgium, delivered the best performance. 3.3% cost savings and over 1,000 kilometers of reduced driving per day. But I wasn't done. With Liège added, I had 5 depots in the network, so I asked the next logical question: which depot can we now remove? I tested removing each depot, one by one. And here's the surprise: removing depots didn't increase costs, it decreased them. The original network needed repositioning. By adding Liège and removing the redundant Brussels depot, we found a configuration that costs 2.6% less than the original. This is investigative logistics consulting, not assumptions, not rules of thumb, systematic testing that reveals insights you wouldn't expect. 4 depots instead of 5, better coverage, lower costs, happier customers. That's what I do. I'm Mira, your AI logistics consultant.